Hello, this is Mr. Gusakuma, and today we are going to be tackling the 6th assignment in exponents, graphing exponential growth and decay. To graph these exponential functions, you will need to mark at least 2 points on the graph. The first point, the very first important point you need to graph, the thing you must know to be able to start these graphs properly every single time, is that at a time of 0, when x is 0, this graph is going to start at its starting value, that a from interest, the starting value that we saw so many times multiplied by the base in the exponent. In this case, that is a 10. I have it circled in blue, and so that means I'm going to be clicking and dragging the green dot that's on the 2 all the way up until it reaches the 10. So now my graph has started to look like this. The second thing I need to do is find another point. The easiest way to do that is to set x to be 1, because you're allowed to pick what points you want to use, in which case I only need to multiply the 10 times the 3 over 5 to find the next point. So 10 times 3 is 30, divided by 5 makes this 6, so I know that when my x value is 1, my y value should be 6. And again, I got that just by multiplying the 10 and the 3 over 5. So I'm going to be moving my second green dot to the coordinate 1, 6. So with my second point graphed, I now have something I can check, and I have this problem all done. As an alternative to thinking through that process, there is always the handy-dandy Desmos, where we can start by typing in our equation, which will give us a picture of the graph. But really, because we have points to move around, it's the table I'm more interested in. To get to the table, I'm going to click on this gear icon above my equation, and then select Convert to Table. And then we are welcome to edit the table as we like, or use whichever points we choose to get our correct answer on con. So in this case, I would be going with the 0, 10 and the 1, 6 as we did, because those are nice decimals that do not require estimation. Even the 3.6 might be a little bit tricky for this one, so those are probably the best two numbers to use. You are welcome to change around x values to see if you can find a good y value if you prefer, but 2 points without decimals is all that's required.